Hi guys! Naada ka rin sa Pick Up Coffee located at Linksy 1 Building
Outside?
23
What's your order?
Dumaguete City. My order is I like the white mocha latte,
White bacalao.
ice upsize.
Ice upsize.
Yeah.
And Spanish.
What is your order?
Hot. Dili lang upsize.
Are you still there? So here we are in Pick Up Coffee. You can buy any drinks you want.
Okay na. Alright, we just ordered a white mocha latte together with a Spanish latte with my friend Patrick, and I hope you like it. Alulor, so yeah, it seems like I like Pick Up Coffee as at the moment. Not just for the coffee, but for the server. It's something. It's something like. Ay, karon sa Pick Up Coffee.
Gatake.
Yata kaya kaya wala na yung makaon. Like, lisod na kaayo. Hi mga
What's
ka-plastic.
your order?
Akong i-order karon is white mocha latte. Bye!
Ito?
Ano si Con?
Heart siya. Heart siya magmata.
Di ba na nakadili na isil?
Actually guys, wala na may mga kwarta. Kasi to.
Sir Shara.
Ali mga unta. Og mic.
Arcan on pick. Ay, sorry.
Oh! Ato to April highlights. So wala may mga kwarta. Mo nang nag-coffee rami kay. Nagulat pa mi sa mong gwapa nga ate. Among ate nga gibarang sa una. Hantod karon gyapon.
Yes, akong ate nga dog, wala pa siya.
So opposite me guys kay ako ganan kay kaog hot drinks while ate MJ likes cold drinks. Og unsa pa yung ganahan natin? Ay ganahan pa siya laki.
Ganahan po ko niya.
Asa ato.
Kanang nagbaligya sa Pick Up Coffee actually. Managanahan ko diri.
By the way, this coffee is sponsored by Ate MJ. Thank you so much. You're a very rich person, ate. Okay, niabot ang among ate nga pinakagwapa sa tanang hayop sa lupa. Ane, dali sa likod ka, ate. You say hi to the people, but they're not watching yet.
Hi, this is Chelsea Fernandez.
Chelsea
From
Sup Sup.
Sultan.
Chelsea Sup Sup. Ah, babe? Mag-babe ka?
Pang?
Mag-coffee po ka, te?
Ang libit siya.
Tingkitin na niya. Ay, dito na.
So, hello guys.
Paggamit sa mic mo.
Bobo. Medyo bobo ka.
So this is me, your brain damage.
The brain has been damaged.
The brain has been damaged due to. Hello guys.
Gay na rin, hello guys.
Nahilo na guys. So guys, please follow us and subscribe. And please don't skip. Yes. So guys, we're actually hello guys. Nag-coffee si Anna Rose guys. Nag-coffee mi guys si Anna Rose. Si Snake Princess. Si Tita Tit. Asa ang kwarta?
Boom! Bayad na sa cellphone!
Guwapa, oh.
Ice matcha.
Spell matcha. Ice na lang.
Ice na lang. Ice na lang.
What did you order?
Hello guys.
What did you order? Hello guys.
So I do have here, it's
Bubble gum?
Bobo pa rin sa 2025. Yes, very consistent. Bobo sa 2024, Bobo sa 2025. Oh, what a consistent. I have here the iced matcha from Pick Up Coffee. Yeah. I love matcha. Spell matcha. Ice na lang.
Budang tikim. Kasi get timpla.
Ay, kanamit git ah.